All right, here is the 2022 Ford Lightning. I just picked this up and I wanted to talk a little bit about the auto fold for your mirrors feature. If yours is anything like mine, it was not set up at the dealer, and I wanted to share how to do that quickly. So, to get these mirrors to fold in when you go to lock, like they don't right now, all you really need to do start it up. And this is good for both the Sync 4, which has a standard touch screen, as well as the Sync 4A, where you see this tablet style, vertical style. So you're going to go into your settings, which will be right here for 4A. Press the little truck icon, heading to settings. There we go. And then down to vehicle. And you're looking for mirrors. A little laggy this morning. And there's an auto fold feature here that needs to be enabled. Now, when I head out of the vehicle and I go to lock it, you should see these mirrors collapse. There you go. That's how to do the auto fold feature for the 2022 Ford Lightning.